What's going on, everybody? Sean Pierce Johnson here. It's Winter NAMM 2018, and I am here at Mad Hatter Guitar Products with the Mad Hatter himself, Ed. Ed, hello. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm great. I am very excited to talk to you because your stuff has been coming up a lot on my radar within the last year. So give everybody at home a little synopsis of what Mad Hatter Guitar Products does and what the basic concept is.
Well, Mad Hatter Guitar Products basically started out as a solderless system for electric guitars, mainly with the purpose to be able to swap out tone values on potentiometers, capacitors, switch out capacitors, pickups easier and stuff like that. That's how it started, and we called it Mad Hatter Guitar Products because we didn't want to limit ourselves to that, as you're going to see as we go through the products. So let me show you basically our bread and butter system, the Terminator System.
All right, let's go check it out.
So basically, our Terminator System is based off our proprietary CTS dual value pods. We went to CTS. We told them we wanted a special potentiometer to our specs, audio pot. It's got a solid brass bushing, solid brass shaft. It also has terminals to it for easy access, basically to put the wires on off, swap out capacitors easily. But the main thing is so you can change the value of your pickup. So like this one system here is our single volume dual tone system, like you typically find on a Stratocaster. So we wired this what we call synchronized operation. Now synchronized operation allows you to have each pickup on whatever value pot you want. So example, we have a humbucker single coil. So on this volume pot, we took the bridge pickup, the humbucker, and applied it to the 500K side of this volume pot. Then we took the single coils and put them to the 250K, okay? And then what we did is it allows you to choose, since really what you have here is 6 different pots, okay? 3 of, simultaneously. So the bridge pickup we have on this tone pot at the 500K side, then this pickup are the single coils, the neck we have on the 250K, and the middle we have on a 500K of this tone pot. Now, you can mix and match, you can do whatever you want. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put the bridge pickup on the 250K just to warm it up, and I'll put the neck pickup in the middle on a 500K to make it more snappy, more woody honky sound. Then you can swap capacitors, do whatever you want.
Very cool.
Yeah, so that's the essence of the Terminator system. Pretty much all of our single volume systems have the synchronized operation capabilities. Obviously, the dual volume systems, you can just choose whatever you want. So this is our Steve Vai model.
A Steve Vai model, people. Yes, Steve Vai has this stuff in Evo. I've seen it, and I've heard it. It sounds great.
Yeah, this is our Evo system here. Steve gave us Evo. We put this system in it. He just loved it. As you know, Steve-O.
I love it.
Steve Vai. He just loves, he's very articulate and his playing. He's very, he wants every note to be precise, to be right on, to be clear, crystal clear, and he just put our system in there, and that, it just took him to the next level that he wanted to be. And he's an amazing player as it is. So, obviously, I didn't take his playing up to the next level, but we'd hope his sound was improved, and he thought it was. So.
From what I understand, he thinks that it's greatly improved.
So, for this year, we have pretty much a Terminator system from almost every guitar. Different systems. IBZ system for dual humbuckers with a 5-way switch. Our HSH system, which the Evo system is based off. For this year, we've offered something new. It's called the 5.3. The 5.3 is basically humbucker, single humbucker, and then it's on a 500K. We got a push-pull pot. When you pull it, it splits the humbuckers to single, 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 and then it drops this volume pot from 500 to 250K. So it gives you, we get this request quite a bit. So
awesome.
So,
very cool.
So let me show you one second. Earlier this fall, we launched our 6-position switch, our S6 system. So this is an S6 here. So you gives you 1 through 5, like you would have a normal Strat. The position 6 is basically the hump, the bridge, and the neck together.
Very cool.
Yeah. So we're hoping to sell more of these. We like this system a lot. We think it's going to grow. We got word that maybe Fender's going to be doing some 6-positioning stuff too. So we think it's going to become pretty popular here pretty quick.
Well, it's pretty cool because I've played Strat-style guitars with the 5-way, but then they have the switch so that you can activate the bridge when you switch to the neck. And it's a very cool sound that you aren't normally able to access, but having it built into a selector switch, it's one of those things that in the heat of a moment of performance, it's kind of cumbersome.
Yeah.
But putting it right there, it's much easier.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. We sell push-pull pots with every one of our systems, and one of the ones we do is pickup jumping. So you can jumper the bridge and the neck together, or you can jumper the bridge right to the output of the volume pots, or the input of the volume pot, so that way it comes on whatever you like. And then we do coil splitting, obviously. And then we also offer reverse phasing. And then we do custom stuff, whatever you want, really.
Sweet.
So
very cool. We got more people.
This is Mike Peterson, MAP Guitars. He uses our stuff exclusively. We have a couple of his guitars in our booth this year. As you can see, one of the things we're doing this year is we got the Mad Hatter, the Terminator 3-way toggle. And it's a sealed toggle switch 3-way with gold contacts. So we think it's a great improvement. Electro Switch provides this for us. We think it's a great improvement over the traditional 3-way toggle. And we're really pleased with it, and our customers are just loving it. So it's a great addition. This one here is push-pull pot for the hold on one second.
Bring it back.
Yeah, grab the thing on the bottom.
I'll come back. I'm on shoulder somebody.
Okay, great. Sorry about that.
It's all good. We're just going to keep on cruising. It's all good.
We lost one of those today, so I don't want to lose another one.
I hear you there.
So, anyways, what I was saying was we have the Mike likes the push-pull pot option on his with the dual volume system here. So,
awesome. Very cool. Now, while he's putting away the guitar, there's one thing that I saw that these guys were putting out this year, and it's something that both as a player intrigues me and frightens me. But it seems very cool, and we're gonna pick it up and show it to the camera. So let's go check out what this cool new thing you guys are debuting at the show is. So we're down on the floor for a reason, and it's this board right here. But there's something about it that's kind of strange. Ed, go ahead and give everybody the rundown of what we got here.
So basically what we have here is what we call the Earthboard. The Earthboard is basically a new concept in pedal boards. So it's a light aluminum frame. Then what we did is we got isolated steel rails onto here, okay? And the isolated steel rails have a purpose. One, all the pedals are attached to a plate, as well as the power supply, okay? And they plug into the plate. Then on the bottom of the plate, we have magnets. And what happens is the magnets are connected positive and negative side through the cable. So basically, when you put a power supply on the steel rails, it energizes the rails with 9 volts. And then the other pedals pick up the 9 volts and it powers those pedals. What we have here is a completely we got this wireless right now, so you can carry this anywhere, throw it on the floor, and just go. The total throw and go system. The options are LED lighting. You know, the LED does draw some juice, but they look cool, and with the standard pedal supply, like this board here would probably go for 4 or 5 hours on a full charged battery. So
I'm out. I don't even know why I need to go. It's a wireless pedal board, wireless power. You guys are using wireless setups to go to the amps that you're demoing with. Like, when is this thing going to be, like, is this just a prototype right now that you guys are testing the technology, or is this almost ready to go?
You know, we're planning to ship at the end of March. So it's available now on our website for pre-orders. So,
well, hot diggity damn. There you go. Everybody's complaining about how you're going to get power. There's how you get your power.
You know, it's amazing that we're not here already. I mean, because it's, you know, like I was saying, when was the last time you had a drill motor that you plugged into the wall? How much current does a drill motor use? Okay, a lot more than a pedal. The average pedal is, you know, 3 to 4 milliamps or so. You know, this is, you know, you can run this all day. You know, if you wanted to, depending on the power supply you have, you know, and the lithium battery technology, we shouldn't be plugging pedal boards into anything. We should just be totally going back to the batteries as the best clean power you can have. Plugging into the wall, you're picking up all the noise, you know, especially depending on where you live, you know. So it's, we think it's wonderful. Plus with the magnets, you can easily slide the pedals on the board. Where with the Velcro, you got to pull them off, put them back on, pull them off. So we think it's just a genius idea. The gentleman who came over, the Frank Boxberger, was behind me here. I was just, when he showed it to me initially, his idea was like, man, we want to team up with you on this. So we're the official distributor of it. We basically designed it, manufactured it, and I did all the engineering on it. So we're, you know, there's going to be some changes to what we have here based on the ones we're going to ship, because, you know, we're already seeing improvements as we go along. So we will.
Well, we've reached the point of wireless pedal boards. It's going to happen. It's going to happen very soon. Maybe we'll get a chance to look at it in more detail in the future. But for Ed from Mad Hatter Guitar Products, I'm Sean Pierce Johnson. Thank you for watching. Hey, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the rest of the NAMM coverage, and we will see you all real soon. Thanks for watching.